Aikun. So let's talk a little bit about the market right now. So what's going on?
Well, here are some examples of some tablets that are in the market. These are what we call public tools. Essentially, OEM customers can come into most factories and buy the exact same tablet in multiple factories. The main issue that we see in the market is with all these public tooling, there is no differentiation. Someone just puts their name on the tablet, changes the box, and they sell them in the market. So you can have 20, 30 different OEMs selling into the same market, the same tablet. And essentially this just generates a price war within the market. It's decreasing really all the factories' margins. So a lot of times they try to save money and increase their margins by using refurbished memory or lower grade components or even low grade touch panels and LCDs.
What's refurbished memory?
So refurbished memory is they'll take, say, PCs or tablets or even phones in the market. They'll be recycled, stripped down, and the memory will be removed and then erased. They'll then take that memory and they sell it back into the market by the kilogram. So these can go from anywhere between $25 US to $35 US per kilogram.
So this is a crazy kind of like thing, but it's kind of like what do you think about this? What do you think it does?
Well, I mean, if a company is open and honest with their customers and tells them that they're using refurbished memory, I think it's fine. But what we see that doesn't happen. What ends up happening is companies will essentially say take a tablet like this that might have refurbished memory, and they're getting a very cheap price because of that, and then they'll try to compare it to our level of quality and our pricing, which they're really not comparing apples to apples. You know, they're really comparing an apple to like a kiwi. It's totally different what we do. We don't use refurbished memory. We only use name brand memory and only use A or B grade components in all of our products.
So how has it been at the Hong Kong Fair? Were the customers coming over and asking these kinds of things? What would you explain to them?
You mean ask about low quality?
Yeah, ask about the pricing and stuff. What can you say?
The problem here is the customer education about tablets still not enough. So a lot of customers actually they don't know what they buy. Our duty to teaching them or to explain to them, you guys really going to buy something will affect your name, and maybe not in short time, maybe in long time, but sooner or later you will have very big problem with your product. I believe this is will not long-term business for this kind of customer. So we are not focused so much about these people who are really looking for low quality. So every time when we are talking about quality, the people say you always talking quality, everyone's the same. No, I need to tell them we are not the same. We have very nice vision for what we are doing. We are really planning our roadmap for 2014, and we're working under very strict roadmap and very clear vision. And our innovation for product is totally different as anyone else. As just roadmap it now here, they don't know what is the RAM inside the using. They doesn't know what is the touch panel driver IC they are using. They don't know what is the battery rail capacity they built inside their tablet. The only thing they know how much is 9-inch, but how much price. They only know the inch size. And this
inch price.
Inch price. They doesn't know, or maybe they no need to know that they buy something wrong. They are happy by what they buy. And I think the major issue here, the important point here, most of the big buyer in tablet business, not the owner of the company who in charge of buy. The buyer is one of the purchase guys. And I think for my own understanding, the purchase people always no need to enter with new product, new design, because they believe if we do that, we will get more tired. We will go to inspection more factory. We will go to design another one. we will have a lot of working if we extending our business to 2 or 3 different factories, or we change our current supplier. But as soon as we meet direct with a boss or with the owner of this company, he immediately changing his roadmap, his product. He say, why he didn't show this to me before? We speak a lot, we show, we teach, and we give a lot of education materials to tell them, you guys going to something wrong. But here is a question you need to ask, or I ask them, what is your tablet requirement, or what is you need to do with tablet? Do you want only make profit, or do you want, or beside profit you need to make name? So most of the people say we very important to make a brand name, but how you will set up your brand name in product? You don't know which material you're using inside. It is very big question mark. I need, and you need, and everyone need to asking them. Did you ask about your touch panel, which driver ICs they are using? Never. You're asking only about price, about inch. I give you very easy sample. Most of our touch panel NG, which we already NG because of small diode point, some point is diode in the touch panel, no any function. Other factory, B factory or C or D grade factories, they buy it from us. And they buy it and they sell inside other tablet, which you find in the market $25, $30, because they buy the touch panel NG from us by half cost. And they are very happy because they can really sell to some people, and incredible. We see our NG touch panel is selling to very big brand for tablet business. And this I can't understand. When the people look to the out looking for tablet, it looks nice. Yes, it's very nice. All is almost the same, because as just Rob say now, all is public tooling just to change one logo. No any real design, no any concept. Everyone is the same. We become like we are selling not technology. The people now and the players, the big player in tablet, you put 25 big brand in tablet, you will find everyone is the same. Only you will find the camera change from side, become from right to left, from round become square, from only this one, but every design almost the same. If you move the logo, it become all come from one manufacturer or come from one ID design. That is what I don't like to do in my company anymore. As I told you before, when we start, we don't invest too much in new tablet concept. But since 2014, we changed our business concept to build something never happened before, to let our end user, our distribution to know that Aikun is something different. Even we have a lot of difficulty to promote our brand, to promote our product. But I'm so happy when the people look to the product and say, this is incredible. We never see this product before. I can share with you if you want to see something here. I can give you and show you even here. If you look, even our product boxes, it's very elegant design. It's very nice material. Every details we take care. Every corner in the box we put all our education about design, about.
So let's go and look at the range here that you have.
You can look.
Yeah.
Yes, you can have a look. For here is all the range which we set up new one. Start, as I told you, we start this concept to design, industry design and mechanical design from January 2014, and October is all ready for mass production. The product is the design, the technology we carry with the design. I don't think any brand now, bigger or smaller, middle or higher, carries the same what we have now. Here's our A80. It's a tablet which we are doing this model for professional 3D gaming tablet.
Nice.
I think it will be.
How soon?
This we plan to be ready in March 2015
Cool.
for consumer.
Also innovative.
Yes,
That's your plan. Everything you want to do now is innovative.
Exactly. I don't think when when the people will see this design, I think they will shocked by what is Aikun doing now.
Nice.
They will have very big, like chalk. You
Yeah.
need to do something different. A lot of company now try to copy what we are doing. If a lot of people, when you look to even inner box,
Yeah.
is a tablet here inside. That's right. And other here is a cable and accessories. Here is a power adapter. Everything in details. Everything very clear. Very nice design.
Yeah.
So.
So with this tablet business, which is really interesting, but which is changing very rapidly and stuff. I mean, changing. People say the iPad sales are going down, for example, and then there's Intel coming in. What do you think about the Intel differentiation? What do you think about Intel?
Oh, it's a very sensitive question. No, as everyone know, Intel is doing very good product in laptop, and my own laptop is Intel. I love it. It's very good performance. I think I never can change it. I always focus on always happy with this product. But for tablet business, I think they may need to change the business strategy very soon, because what they are doing now, I think will affect the Intel name so bad.
They're just putting Intel CPU in something like this, right?
In something like that, then they print Intel inside, and I don't think so. This is very good business strategy for such big company like Intel. Maybe they are in urgent times. They need to do this right now for getting more market share for mobile business. But I think they may need to filtering some product which they want to print in Intel inside. This is my idea. I don't need talking too much about how is doing in the market to get more market share, because I'm very happy with Intel product, but I'm not so.
Not yet, for now, at least.
Yeah?
How about the MediaTek? MediaTek is really nice and stable, and they're doing really good products. But how about, what do you think about Allwinner? Because Allwinner has been going through a crazy year, selling a lot of chips, right?
Yes.
Last year.
Last year, Allwinner, I think for my
millions.
record, about 40-something million SoC last year. This year, I don't think they can make the same number. The issue because of a competitor of SoC with Intel and with other like MediaTek. This is one reason. And the second reason, because also tablet business and tablet market share is reducing so much during the business economy at all is affected by all world economy. So I think
Allwinner has to change and do something.
Yes, and more important point they need to focus on is not only to producing great CPU like A80, 8 core and 64 GPU core. Not only this one, they need really to focus in marketing. Need to focusing more to support their integrator and their design house company more than what they are doing now, because the competition for us is so hard, and if the support didn't start from the SoC company like Allwinner or like MediaTek, it is very hard for us to keep in continue. And I believe if we are here, they are here. If we are not, also they will affect it, and maybe they more affect than us. So I hope they can, in 2015, they have very clear vision or very...
with the A80 is really awesome.
It's awesome CPU, I like, and I coming very soon with A80 gaming tablet, professional gaming tablet, built in A80 and using 64 GPU. But I need something to let me feeling I working with a very big player in the SoC. He know very well how he can support his customers. They all very helpful. They are very good in local. But tablet business, we are not doing local market. We are not doing domestic in China. We are doing international business. The people, the consumers, the commercials, they have to know who is all winner. What is this company advantage? What they can help in after sale service? What is if they have any future plan for new supporting or any something like that, they need to study very well. Again, I mean all winners study very well and to invest more in marketing and in education, their design house and SOC more than what they are doing now.
Maybe with Android 5.0, when they introduce that, they also introduce a new marketing strategy and a new maybe support system or something, and also with the A80, which maybe is the most powerful ARM processor in the market. They would have to. There's lots of things that could be done.
So. I think you are right, because last meeting with their CEO, we're talking so much about this 2015 marketing plan for All-Winner and Aikun as well. So we're talking about how we can let the end users, the consumer, know All-Winner more than last year, because if you ask anyone in consumer market, do you know All-Winner company? They doesn't know. They only know Aikun because the Aikun logo print in the tablet.
And you want to have more people know Aikun.
Yeah, I'm very happy, and we are working very in correct direction. Whatever is difficult, whatever is need much financial for marketing and need much education to educate our consumer and let them know we are not the public tooling, we are not the people who really doesn't know what they are doing inside their tablet. We are not the people who taking refurbished product, who taking NG touch penalty using new product. We are 100% pure material we're using. We invest a lot in industry design, in mechanical design. We do all this not only for making our brand famous or only making more profit. We believe more to help our end user and the distribution, to let them, when they carry Aikun, they feel they have really value, and they believe more in Aikun design, and they will never regret they buy Aikun from tablet or whatever.
Nice. What kind of other things can we talk about? What do you think about Rockchip? What's going on with them?
I have no much idea about Rockchip, what they are doing
now. Did you use before in some products?
I use in my first quarter when I start my tablet, the first SoC I use is Rockchip 2906, and the second one was 2928, and 2928 was very stable single core CPU SoC, and we do a very good volume with Rockchip, but as soon as All-Winner come, we find this have some different in SoC structure and in quality for our company. Maybe other companies, they still believe more in Rockchip. They are very stronger company. I work with them for 3066 is one of the important SoC happened with Rockchip since they open tablet business. But I don't hear so much about them now. I think they reduce the market share so much for the product. But my advice to them, you guys need to go to more close to your integrator. You don't work so far from them, because Rockchip Surface support with me before the way we use it together before, it make me not happy. So I think they need to focus more in Surface, after sale Surface, and they need to make more marketing also as well. Maybe they have more chance next year. They come with a new SoC. I hope to see them more and more in the market. I'm not against any SoC to work with us, but only I'm as a normal logic requirement. I like when I trust in any company to work together like a partner, like corporation. We put a lot of clear, important point we need. They help us. I hope they can understand in our requirement very well. and they can have the ability to arrange the people, the engineers, the staff to help us to solve any problem in domestic market or in overseas, and try to be so fast for service support.
So you mentioned SoC a few times, and when you talk, and this is the ARM market, and here in Shenzhen, this is about crazy fast innovation and so many things happening so quickly. It's really interesting and fun market, no?
Sure. You're talking about ARM?
Yeah,
SoC?
I mean, the business you do, it's cool.
It's very well.
It's interesting, no? Like
sure.
There's so many things happening, and the opportunities to go this way, that way.
Sure.
Is it fun?
Sure, it's very funny and very attractive. Because if you asking someone 2 years ago, do you know ARM company? Nobody know it. Very few people know it, you know, especially in China. But now, most of the people know ARM devices. I know it's very old company, it's very strong, it's very powerful.
Are you talking about my website?
Maybe you are one of the important people. We can get some information from your website. So for system on a chip, actually SoC, it is very new. It is new technology for tablet business since 2 years ago. And it becomes so popular now, especially.
It's quite new, right?
It's quite new.
The iPad was 2010.
Yes,
that's it.
It's quite new.
Before
and
it was just
iPad
Aquas.
2010, but for tablet, for OEM and A brand, it is only 2011 or 12.
Yeah.
We start to do system on chip for tablet
2
business.
years, and
2 years
so
ago.
many things happen already.
Yes, so many things.
It goes up like a crazy mountain, and now it's
volume.
going a little bit down.
As I told you, tablet business will always go growing up, but the different it will be between the size, who will use the tablet, will go more to specification user. Specified user means you will find tablet going to education tablet, or going to
Specific
like
markets, right?
Yes, specific.
Maybe more
specific
professional?
market, more professional. One like education tablet, one like medical tablet, another one like media tablet for advertisement. Will go for really who will use it, like industry tablet design, something like that.
So maybe the first 2 years was just for fun a little bit, and now you're trying to be more serious a little
Yes,
bit
it's
about
more
it.
serious. We have some project really for medical, for tablet business, medical tablet. And we also have now more professional gaming tablet, also for gamer. We set up next year, as I told you, in March will be ready. I think the tablet market will never die. I think it's going so stable.
Touching the screen is a natural thing to do, and it's probably not going to go back to the mouse and clicking.
It's impossible. This is something we can say nobody know when can be ready, when can be finished, because always you now everything change to touching and easy carry and more flexible for end user to use it, and not heavy, and a lot of function now in touch can help you. Now later, very soon, maybe you will find all your home is running by touch. You can control everything in your home only by touch. So
Are you going to do smart home?
actually we have planned to going in smart home market, but we keep it till 2015 Q4. We have very nice idea about smartphone.
This smartphone, there's so many things you can do.
Yes.
There's so many things you can do. How do you choose what to do? Because your company is a fixed size, no? It's just this size. It's not. You're not Apple. You're smaller than Apple, right? What can you choose?
I'm much smaller than Apple.
Much smaller than Apple.
Much
How do you
more.
choose what to do?
It's very easy. We are very old company. We are not new. We are almost 12 years now. We have very strong customer database, and we have very strong market, very good market, and all the people trust in Aikun, trust in ATEC. The company name is ATEC. So we have very good reputation in the market with our customer, with our suppliers. So the different and this is very important because tablet business or mobile business or a smart home business is only is very big volume first, and the second is very big amount. So you need reliable and you need trustable supplier to work with, because also is the surface is very important for this product. So you ask me how I can develop maybe smart home later, or maybe I can doing a mobile phone later. As you see, we come major product come from input output devices like keyboard and mouse, and this market is going very tough now and very slow. We have very big factory for keyboard and mouse. So step by step, I trying to revolution, to change in my old product, which is going by key and by mouse, to more touch product. So the space or the size or financial, we have it already, but we no need to speed up our changing, because it's danger for us and danger for our customer who use our product I/O devices for their own brand. So we still keeping this product running very stable. For keyboard and mouse industry, we can say we are one of the bigger and major company in this area right now. We can approximately shipping about 7 million unit annually shipment. Last year we do 7 million, and this year we approximately also go to 6 to 7 million unit for input-output devices like keyboard and mouse. So the space, the financials, the population for workers, how many people we have all this. And most important, you believe in your people education. You believe that you really have ability to do this product. A lot of customers pushing us now to do in mobile phone, but really we are not ready right now to do it. We start only a tablet, and we succeed in tablet. So we still set up our brand in tablet business, set up our company base for tablet in the market. Let the people trust in our product, because I no need to let the people always see we are always changing. We are very fast changing. No, we keep our product to become stable. Everyone remember our brand. Everyone remember our product. Then maybe 1 year we only issue one model, or maybe 2 model maximum. But when we put any model in the market, I need and I wish everyone says this is a great product. This has never happened before. And with Soli product, I already get this answer from a lot of my distribution. They say, which we see now in tablet, what's happened now in tablet, it will change the whole market for tablet for next year. A lot of people will follow our business strategy. A lot of people will change their mind how the tablet must be in design and in concept. Many companies looking now after Aikun, what is Aikun are doing, we need to copy them. So I'm happy because I did something.
I think it's a good thing.
It's good. I'm very happy.
If people look and they want to copy, it means you're doing something right.
Yes. So I'm very happy because I will help the end user to get good product from me or from other. I push in other company, please doing something good.
And this is good for the Chinese politics. No, I'm joking. Chinese.
No, this is Chinese. Actually, I live in China almost 12 years. I like all the Chinese people. They all very nice. They help me a lot to set up my factory in China and set up my company. And I have very good friendship with all my staff Chinese, and I talk Chinese very well, perfect Chinese.
So how soon is it on the market?
Already, we already issue and we demonstration this product in Hong Kong Global Source Fair for first phase for computer and electronic component, and we also second phase for mobile fair. We also have demonstration for our booth, for our product in our booth, and now we already have some good BO and some good feedback from our distribution. I think by end of December the consumer can find it in so many retails in Europe. And
So mass production starting in the next
yes,
very soon.
Very soon. We first mass production will start November 5 for Soli 7, 8, and Tempo 1. So I think we are going in the right location and in the right direction. And from what I see from my competitors and from my distribution and from my end users, they have very good comments about our product. Some of the competitors say we can't follow you, we can't do what you are doing because it's very hard for them to even copy. It's very hard for them and very costly for them to do same as what I'm doing now. I'm very excited and very happy to get all these comments. Even we still didn't sell in the market. We have a lot of people are waiting to use Soli, to try it, how's the quality, and I hope and I wish they will like.
And just to have an idea, so to get this into mass production, what is it exactly you need to do right now? What is like finalize the engineering of mass production? Is that what you need to do?
We already have a very fast mass production for every model. I talking about the big mass production or volume, like every model 5,000, 10,000 unit to be ready for shipping very soon. So I think for first mass production we have no any problem, we have no any structure.
Everything is ready if you want?
Everything is ready, everything done, everything conformed and approved.
Everything tested?
Everything tested.
Drop tested?
Drop tested.
Bend
touch
tested?
panel tested. Bend tested. Power conductive testing. Asian testing. Camera. Everything. LCD. All.
So why don't you start now, the mass production?
Recently we are very busy for production our current models. So we keep this product for first mass production in November 5. Now is preparing material. The material will be ready, all the bomb is closed and all the material will come to around end of this.
Did you say November 5?
Yes.
This is next week?
Yes, next week. So all material now is ready. We make all the IQC for all material is perfect. We test it. We inspection every part is working very well before we start mass production. So we are very carefully for when and how we will start because this is product we need. When they come to market, everyone love it. Everyone like. No need any small issue about quality. So.
And since you're a keyboard company, I'm looking forward to some keyboard combinations too. It looks cool.
Yes,
with the magnetic connector or two.
Very thin keyboard, a Bluetooth wireless one, and for 7.85 model.
And where do you deliver first? How does it work? Which distributor gets it first? How does that work?
We have a first shipment, I think, going to Central Europe, and we have also another shipment going to Dubai, but this will go end of November. And now as I told you last time in the fair, we already contract with some distribution in Eastern Europe and Western Europe as well, and we have another meeting next week with them to the final signature for the contract and for BO as well. So I think we are working very, very hard for this product. We are very happy for what we are doing now, and for how many units is not very important for me. The more important how much quality we are doing. As soon as the quality, the people feel really is a good product, immediately you will find the volume come together.
So the most important is the impression consumer and the distributor and everybody gets with the product.
Exactly. And very soon you will find all our product in some international airport. We contract with some international airport to put our product for advertisement. We will have the product there for end user to testing, to play game, to doing.
To scratch, to see if it's scratched.
To see how it's durable. how's good quality is this product, how's design, to touch, because we believe in airports, so many people every day traveling around the world. So we can say every day you have at least 3,000 to 5,000 people touch your tablet. So this is a very good testing for us to see what is the customer feedback and what is the quality what is the quality you are doing. So I hope they will like.